So let's salute them, one and all, for answering the cleanliness call. From classrooms to offices so grand, they lift us with a firm, strong hand. Wherever we work, wherever we stand, their legacy we understand. Oh, let's sing for those who clean, heroes of the unseen, with gloves and hearts so keen, keeping our world pristine. From warehouse shelf to cleaning floor, our partners open every door, supplying tools and so much more. Together